1. Sun. Do you ever wonder if we're truly making the most of the sun's boundless energy? Marjan van Albel certainly did, and the result is nothing short of ingenious. This 33-inch long lamp not only adds a touch of elegance to your room but also captures the sun's energy to illuminate your space naturally. By day, it soaks up the sun's rays, storing this renewable energy in its built-in battery. And when night falls, sun transforms this stored power into a warm and inviting light that sets the perfect ambience for your room. With its 3 distinct modes, sunrise, daylight, and sunset, you can effortlessly create the ideal atmosphere for any moment. 2. Star Wars Charger. Calling all Star Wars enthusiasts, this one's for you. Feast your eyes on the Mandalorian charging pad, a must-have for every Jedi and Sith alike. But what's even more exciting? It lights up with the enchantment of the Force. And if you're a fan of the Millennium Falcon, don't forget to check out the Falcon Charger. 3. Atmosphere Lamp. Rise and shine with the Atmosphere Lamp, a bedside companion that does it all. This incredible lamp doesn't just brighten your mornings, it serenades you with music and keeps your devices powered up as you prepare for the day ahead. With a built-in alarm clock, you'll never snooze past your wake-up call again. 5. Tilt 5. Introducing the Tilt 5 holographic gaming system, the gateway to gaming like you've never experienced before. Imagine your gaming board coming to life in full 3D, just as you've always dreamed. Thanks to cutting-edge air technology that projects stunning holographic images onto a real surface, the visuals are nothing short of mind-blowing. Colors pop and details dazzle, immersing you in a world of vibrant realism. But it doesn't stop there. With these glasses, your movements are tracked, allowing you to interact with the virtual environment and objects in the game. And here's the fun part, Tilt 5 is perfect for multiplayer action, so even if your friend's fashionably late, you can dive into another game and seamlessly pick up where you left off when they arrive. 6. Gale Cooling Fan. When the summer heat strikes, who doesn't crave a refreshing breeze? The Gale Cooling Fan is here to answer your call, offering a full 180-degree airflow that's entirely adjustable to your liking. With an all-day battery life and a portable design, it adapts to your needs throughout the day. And when the temperature cools down, it's not just a fan, it transforms into a practical lamp. 7. Anchor Charging Station. Say goodbye to the apocalypse of cables on your desk. Enter the Anchor Charging Station, your salvation from cable clutter. This magnetic charging marvel lets you charge multiple devices simultaneously, all neatly organized in one place. Just take a look at how tidy and organized everything appears now. 8. Drift Gaming Bed Frame. Gamers, listen up. We found the ultimate bed frame designed with your passion in mind. Introducing the Drift Gaming Bed Frame, where gaming and relaxation converge. This gaming sanctuary boasts RGB lighting to set the mood, handy headphone hooks for quick access to your gear, and a convenient bedside table that's perfect for those epic gaming sessions. 9. Neutral Magic. If you find yourself working at your computer for hours on end, you know the importance of a comfortable chair. Enter the Neutral Magic, the chair that offers full customization, down to the footrest. This chair is your ticket to relaxation and complete upper body support. Plus, it adapts to your back's position, ensuring you stay comfortable even during marathon work sessions. And here's the kicker, when you decide it's time to switch things up, attach the compact desktop, complete with a cup holder and an adjustable stand for your laptop. 10. Star Wars Stand. Can't get enough of Star Wars accessories? Neither can we. This time, we've got 3 amazing options for your Amazon Echo Dot stands: Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, and Mandalorian. These eye-catching stands are the perfect companions for your 4th and 5th generation Echo Dots. Whether it's your work desk, bedside table, or entryway, these stands will make a statement while amplifying your Echo Dot's functionality. Before we dive into the next exciting gadget for your room, I'd like to ask for a small favor. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep bringing you awesome content like this. Now, let's get back to it. 11. Moss Air. Have you ever imagined having a piece of nature right on your desktop that not only looks beautiful but also improves the air you breathe? Enter Moss Air, a game changer in air quality. Packed with the power of moss, it absorbs carbon dioxide, filters out dust, allergens, germs, and viruses, and even reduces the risk of cancer and respiratory diseases. Simply switch it from terrarium mode to humidifier mode, and remember to refill the water tank every 8 hours. 12. Mastio Bedside Lamp. Meet the Mastio Bedside Lamp, a charming treat that adds a touch of nature to your bedside table, and the best part? It doesn't need any water, just a standard power supply. At the crown of this tree, you'll find a touch panel with a digital clock for easy settings. And for those moments when you forget to turn it off, don't worry, it has an auto-off feature after 30 minutes. But that's not all, there's a built-in speaker too. This lamp ensures not only a serene wake-up with its gentle light, but also ensures your phone is fully charged when you rise. 13. The Windmill AC. Tired of clunky air conditioners cluttering your space? Say hello to the Windmill AC, the smart, sleek, and efficient solution to your cooling needs. It offers wide and efficient cold air coverage by directing airflow up and into your room. Whether you control it through the app or use hands-free voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, this AC unit keeps you cool without the hassle. Plus, it's environmentally conscious, utilizing sustainable refrigerant to cool up to 350 square feet and is designed to fit most windows. 14. Revolve Tray Box. Looking for the ultimate desk organizer that's also a fantastic fidget toy? Meet the Revolve Tray Box. Its magnetic, rotatable lid is perfectly balanced, allowing you to spin it indefinitely for those satisfying moments. But that's not all. Inside, you'll find a multitude of compartments to store your daily essentials, from your wallet and glasses to keys and earbuds. 15. Apex Extend TV Mount. Ready to take your TV watching to new heights? Look no further than the Apex Extend TV Mount, a motorized wall mount designed to support TVs up to a whopping 80 inches in size. And guess what? You can control it with the included remote for the ultimate convenience in adjusting your TV's position. 16. Smart Accordion Lamp. Meet the Smart Accordion Lamp, a lighting innovation that not only changes in length but also transforms into a variety of shapes. You can create a full circle, stand it upright, or even connect two accordion lamps to form striking and unique configurations. Need a hanging lamp? No problem, just use the included magnetic strap. With a rechargeable battery, you'll enjoy up to 8 hours of continuous use, making this lamp a versatile and eye-catching addition to your room. 17. Yeezen Earphones. Want to give your room a cyberpunk edge? These Yeezen earphones not only look fantastic but also deliver high-quality sound with noise-canceling capabilities, making them ideal for crystal-clear phone calls. And here's the kicker, did you spot that charging pad? These earphones wirelessly charge, and the innovation doesn't stop there, they can also double as a charger for your phone. 18. Kensington Docking Station. Do you use your iPad as a second screen while you work? The Kensington Docking Station is here to make it even better. With a magnetic connection, it securely holds your iPad at a comfortable eye level, boosting your productivity. But wait, there's more. This dock is a powerhouse, capable of charging not only your iPad but also your Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods. 19. Somnify Sleep Assistant. Tired of counting sheep? Meet your sleep savior, the Somnify Sleep Assistant. It not only guides you to fall asleep faster but also gathers crucial sleep data and offers valuable advice. Place it on your bedside table, where its 10 sensors get to work, monitoring air pressure, sound levels, respiration, ambient light, temperature, and body movement. Plus, it wakes you up intelligently during a lighter sleep phase, ensuring you start your day feeling refreshed. With the accompanying app, you can evaluate your sleep quality and gain insights into the various sleep-related factors. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. 20. Raw Kyber Container. If you've got a thing for the cyberpunk aesthetic, you're going to love the Raw Kyber Container. In the Star Wars universe, Kyber crystals are a source of focused energy, and these charming replicas bring that cyberpunk vibe to life. They're not just decor, they're a statement piece that perfectly complements your room style. Intrigued by these mind-blowing room upgrades? Which gadget caught your eye the most? We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please drop a comment below and share your favorite. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the coolest gadgets for your room. See you in the next video.